Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is doing well. So I found something kind of new. So there's something called Nicholas Wealth, the XFunds, and they have a global equity and income ETF coming out. So let's just take a look into it. I think this might be the first global covered call spread ETF. I think, but we'll have to see. So as I mentioned before, this is called XFunds by Nicholas Wealth. Uh, this particular ETF hasn't been approved yet. This is just a May 9th filing. There's no ticker symbol yet. And, obviously there's not much information to go on. And they don't even have like an expense ratio out yet. But on their website, you can go to like their other fund called FIAX. So this is like a fixed income fund, and it's priced at 95 basis points for that fund. So maybe this global fund will be around, like the same expense ratio. So according to the strategy, it looks like they can go to different international type of ETFs. So I'm thinking maybe they'll there'll be like some type of rotation or maybe like some type of allocation between EFA, EEM, FXI, etc. And then the plan is to like sell SPX call spreads on top of it. So it's kind of sort of like a SPY T and maybe mixed in with like a global ETF. So we'll just have to see how this plays out. So they plan to do like a monthly payout, so very similar to other Zeta managed type of funds. So here are the managers. So there's David Nicholas, like the I guess like the founder, and then like the three names over here: Jay, Michael Venuto, and Charles Ragaus. Those names should be familiar to YieldMax and Defiance ETF holders. So for this particular fund, since there's not much information to go on, I'm just gonna take a wait and see approach. I'm curious to see how like the holdings will play out, and of course I want to see like the turnover. So hopefully this might be of interest to other people as well. So if you like this type of content, please consider giving this a like. If you can subscribe as well, that'd be greatly appreciated. Super thanks are also welcome. And thank you for watching. And I hope people make some good money out there. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.